Would you like to be able to make these very, very tasty cream cheese and all sorts of exciting stuff inside, kind of open sandwiches on rye bread? Then you should probably watch this video. So what do you think? I think these look beautiful. I think they're gonna be really, really tasty. They have all the exciting things inside them. If you like this kind of content, then I think you should probably subscribe right now. I know everyone says that. I know it. Please. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.